So Huawei usually launches its P series flagships by the end of March or in the beginning of April, and this time as well we are expecting the launch of the Huawei P50 series to happen by the end of this month or in the beginning of next month. There is still no official announcement regarding the launch, but now we do have our first look at the design of the Huawei P50 and the P50 Pro, as the high quality renders of these phones were shared by Steve aka OnLeaks. Steve was also the first to give us a glimpse at the front design of P50 Pro last year, where we got to look at that curved screen with a centered hole punch cutout. Both the Huawei P50 and the P50 Pro have one thing in common when it comes to design, and that is the huge camera module on the back. So there is this huge egg-shaped module with two big circles in it. Now most likely one of these circles has a massive main camera sensor, and all the other cameras are there in the other circle. There are already rumors that the Huawei P50 series will feature an incredible 1-inch Sony IMX800 sensor. This design isn't new for a Huawei smartphone, because in the beginning of this year we got the Huawei Nova 8 series, which has the same camera module design. Anyways, both the P50 and P50 Pro have stereo speakers, and the secondary speaker is on the top and not on the front. One pretty interesting change that Huawei has done with the front design is that the company went from a pill-shaped cutout with more than one cameras in it to just one tiny circular cutout placed in the center, inside which is a single selfie camera. And just like last year, the Huawei P50 Pro has a display with curved edges, whereas the P50 has a flat screen. Comparing the P50 and the P50 Pro side by side, we can also see that the P50 has a more rounded design compared to the P50 Pro. Also, the top and bottom sides are completely flat in case of the P50 Pro, but that is not the case with the P50. Obviously, the screen sizes are different for both the phones. So the Huawei P50 has a 6.3-inch screen, whereas the display on the P50 Pro measures 6.6 inches. The specifications are not yet known, so all we have are the rumors. Anyways, that was all about the design of the Huawei P50 and the P50 Pro. And speaking of my expectations with the P50 series, the cameras are something that I am pretty interested in, because as we know, the P series from Huawei is all about photography. What are your expectations? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.